Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Is oatmeal good for diabetes? Today let us find out, does it affect your sugar level, the right way to consume it with a healthy and easy oatmeal recipe. Let us begin. Inclusion of oatmeal in the diabetes diet is highly beneficial for health. It will protect you from the ill effects of the ailment and make you feel extra energetic. Oatmeal helps to regulate the blood sugar level and it has the proper fiber content to help manage the GI level. This cereal is heart healthy and helps in maintaining your cholesterol level, and if you're consuming it in the right proportions, it may help stop taking insulin injections. You can cook oats quite fast and it is the best serving during breakfast. Now let us see the relative benefits of oats and how does it affect your blood sugar level. Since you have diabetes, it is important to limit the amount of carbohydrates as it directly affects the blood sugar level. Thus, you may have cooked oatmeal that contains merely 30 grams of carbs per cup and it is suitable for people suffering with diabetes. In case you are having instant oatmeal with low fiber and added sugar that is easy to digest but can spike your blood sugar level. Oatmeal has low GI, thus making it an ideal breakfast compared to other foods with added sugar. It helps to regulate digestion and promotes heart health and plays a vital role in diabetes control. Now let us see the right technique for oatmeal intake. In general, oatmeal has lots of advantages to count, and for this reason it is a healthy food. However, it is not right to have instant or pre-packed oatmeal that has extra sweeteners and more of sugar and salt. It is better to have this grain in the purest form. Steel-cut oats are the best for diabetes since they are the least processed. However, rolled oats are better when compared to instant oats. Steel-cut oats and old-fashioned oats contains higher amounts of soluble fiber which helps to regulate blood sugar and to keep you full for longer. Now let us prepare a diabetes-friendly steel-cut oatmeal. Please note down the ingredients. You need steel-cut oats 1 cup, cinnamon powder 1/8 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaves ½ teaspoon, stevia 1 teaspoon, salt 1/8 teaspoon, water 3 cups and chopped mixed fruits for garnishing. Now please note down the method to prepare. Firstly, take a pan and add all the ingredients other than the fruits. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat and cook for another 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the stove. Transfer into a bowl and garnish with fruits. Serve hot. I hope you will agree with me and start in taking oatmeal preparations in moderations that will not increase your sugar level and remain healthy. Thank you.